All right, let's do it again. So 1 foot over the next. And tell me again, how many weeks are we now? Are we at 6 weeks?
Let's see.
When was surgery?
September the 14th.
September the 14th, and today is October 29th.
Yeah. It's about 4.
And then
That's about 6 weeks,
Yeah.
isn't it?
And then come on backward. And so, I mean, looking through the video, the right knee is the knee that was replaced, but I wouldn't say that there's any visible sign that, you know, looking at you, I wouldn't say, oh, for sure she had this knee replaced or that one. What does it feel like?
It feels pretty good.
Yeah.
I was telling Bud on the way over, I said,
Let's go on the other side. We'll switch the cane to the other hand.
when I get any sort of pain in my knee or my leg, I've discovered, like if I'm sitting down or lying down,
Yeah.
I take this one and prop it up.
Okay. Yeah.
On the other one, it like straightens it
Yeah.
out, I guess.
Yeah.
But when it does the hurting, it's bent usually.
Right. Okay.
So
Come on that side. We'll
whatever
switch
that
the cane.
whatever that means, I should do.
Sure. And same thing, one over the other. Perfect. How's the strength feel through the surgical leg compared to the other leg? Like right now, going up the stairs.
Well, almost even.
Beautiful. And then come on back down. See if you can go 1 foot like all the way down, then the other foot down to the next step. There we go. Perfect.